sorry I don't talk in a UwU voice. I don't know what you expected me to do.
お前はもう
I went to the fridge to get a snack and, you weren't there.
What's this? What's your favorite scary movie?
What was the best pickup line you've ever received that actually worked? I'll go first.
Don't hang up on me. I told you not to hang up on me.
Baby girl, where you at? I love you, baby. Ew.
You hang up on me again, I'll cut you like a fish, understand?
Someone simply said, I like your face. And I said, thank you so much.